Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Word and choosing a template or blank document so you can work fast. First, set page size, margins, and default font. This saves time later. Next, enable autosave or set file location to OneDrive or a local folder so you don't lose progress. Once done, add a clear title with heading 1 and insert a document outline. Use styles to create structure. Make sure to save version copies as you proceed. Also set language and proofing options to catch errors early. Now focus on content. Type body text in logical sections, applying styles for headings, normal text, and captions so the outline stays consistent. Insert images, tables, and smart art position and wrap text. Use captions for figures. For citations, use References tab to add sources, cross-references, and a bibliography so your document remains credible. Once you build sections, update the table of contents automatically and check spacing, hyphenation, and list formatting to keep layout. Finalize by reviewing headers, footers, and page numbers. Insert section breaks to vary numbering or orientation as needed. Export to PDF or save final. Docx. Use compress pictures if file size is large. Make sure track changes is cleared and accept or reject edits before distribution. If styles or formatting look wrong, select affected text and click Clear Formatting, then reapply styles. If persistent, copy content into a new document and paste as plain text to remove hidden formatting. Also recheck accessibility settings and add alt text for images.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.